What's going on, everybody? Jeff and Nicole here at Riptide. Just want to give an off-leash update for Rain. Rain's just about to finish the 4-week off-leash board and train. Just want to demonstrate a little bit of what he's learned while he's here. Right now, you see he's sitting in a downstay perfectly, or staying in a downstay, I should say, perfectly, at a distance from Nicole. She's going to transition into some heeling off-leash. Maintains good position by Nicole's left side. Executes turns without an issue. Okay, Nicole is leash free. She's just using a remote training collar on a low setting. Okay. Automatic sit when stop. Back into some heeling. And there's the automatic sit again, and we're going to transition into a sit with a stay. Okay, we're no longer limited to the length of the leash. Dog has to be in your sight. Treat for doing a good job. Back into some heeling. And the place command. Okay, get on the bed and don't come off the bed until we tell you. Sit down, stand, move around, do whatever you're going to do. Just stay on the boundaries of the bed.
No, place. No, place.
Challenging Nicole a little bit. Good, nice and settled in. And then she's going to free him up a little. He's going to go for and a recall back. Good. Good. Let's do one more of those. He's going to go run, try to see what's going on in the kennel. And then right past me and right back to Nicole. That's exactly what we want to see. Well, that's Rain. We're going to go over all this with you when you come to pick him up. Thanks for taking time to watch this video, and have a great day.